So guys, I've got a bunch of potatoes that was just I had nothing to do with. So and I was scrolling on TikTok and I found this recipe. It's crispy potato balls and I'm gonna try to make it. I'm not professional, but I'm gonna try to make it. Let's go. First, we need to peel the potatoes, so I'm gonna do that. This will be fine, or less. Okay, now let's peel them. Right the middle. Don't judge us, okay? I'm gonna embarrass myself. Now I have peeled them, and now I'm gonna go boil them. Okay? So let's go. Cut the potatoes into small pieces so it will be easier to boil. And the water is boiling, and now I'm gonna put this. Now I've boiled this, as you can see, and then now I'm gonna mash this. Now I have mashed the potatoes, and we're gonna mix this and the flour together. This is flour normal. Let's try this. Girl, it's fine. I'm gonna mix like the mashed potatoes with flour. Salt. So now we're making balls. Hi. So now I've made the potatoes into little balls, and now we're gonna go boil them in oil, cooking oil. We have finished making these, and now we're gonna try them. If it tastes like shit. It is good. It is really good.